to the hotel. We're gonna go swim in 5 o'clock before the sunset. And yeah, with the fam bam quiz. We're gonna eat KFC. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Still here in Boracay, and I woke up early, as in super early, like I think 3 a.m. So I decided to just run, but I realized wala pala akong shoes. I don't have the running shoe, so I'm just running with my bare feet. So I think it's time of the year when the seaweeds are now coming. I'm actually enjoying my time here in Boracay. Just doing my passion, like hair and makeup. So I was planning of moving here, but I'm not sure if I could do that right now because I still have the cafe. And maybe, just maybe in the future, I'd be able to afford to live here or move here just to have or to get more clients, because there's a lot of people booking me here lately. So maybe, I don't know, but that's my plan. Plus, I want a beach life, guys. So those are the kayak boats that are so trending right now. I haven't tried it, but I don't know if I don't want to try it because everyone has picture of it. I don't really like that. But it's pretty cool, huh? You can see the underwater. Maybe I should ask how much. Kuya, magkano yung kayak?
200 po, ma'am.
Ah, 200. How many hours yun?
Wala siyang oras, ma'am. Pictorial lang po.
Think?
Pictorial lang po.
Ah, pictorial, good man. Ah, okay. So, this is the kayak boat that they are so trending. Ah, it looks pretty cool with pictures. Boracay is pretty much different without a lot of people. That's the thing here in Boracay. Getting visitors or getting visited by a lot of tourists. This is our room, hallway, and reception area or the lobby area. We're gonna check. We have a gym area. Hotdog. Tama yung sinabi mo. Corned beef. We're back in the room. So we just had breakfast. And I asked them earlier to make up the room, but they said that it's not allowed because we only stayed here for one night. So I told why would they not even have it cleaned? Kasi sobrang dumi na ng room. There's a lot of sand everywhere, and we have a baby who's roaming around the floor. Mew! Hi everyone! So, we're gonna do a quick room here and ano to? Anong type ng room to, Sol?
Diamond blue.
Diamond room. So, we are with Kuya Sol to guide us with the room tour. May tao. Tadan! Ay, ang ganda. Oh my gosh, ang bango. So this is facing the beautiful view of Boracay Beach. How perfect is that? So we have a sofa over here. Perfect for couples, no? Because this one is queen size bed. Ito yung mini bar nila. So they have mini bar over here. Cabinet. And another mirror over here. It's really mabango. Smells so good. Another room, when you enter the main door, what's in here? Oh, it's a toilet. That's why walang toilet sa kabila. What I'm actually excited to see is the veranda. Outside. Let's take a look. Binuksan nyo na? Oh my God. Wow. So they have the swimming pool. A jacuzzi, I believe. Yeah. Lounging area where you can have your sunbathing. And yeah, the perfect view of the front beach, of course. We get the privilege to check the room because the boyfriend works here, yes. And the madam.
Thank you.
So this is gonna be the newly opened building. So this is the premier room, B506. Let's check. Oh, from the main door you will be able to see the restroom, which has the bathtub and the view of the bedroom. Wow. Wow. Love this area.
Kung mag-book sila sa online, mag-chat sila sa
And meron silang coffee area and also the working table. Of course, there's another mirror. There's a lot of mirror everywhere. So what I want to see is the view outside. There's also, okay, the vault. lobby area. Si ate. Hello, ate. So, they have massages. Kompleto naman to ate, no? Ito, activities. So, we also have private tours. Salamat po. Boracay Ocean Club, guys. So, there's another pool in the main entrance. Ang laki, no? Yeah. You're crossing the bridge area. There's gonna be a fire dancing or the main event.